Hello student, this is Rohit Upadhyay, computer teacher at Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. Student, in this video we'll start discussing the HTML. So let's start. Student, in the last class we have learned the basic of HTML. Means what is HTML, how we'll write the HTML program, and how we can open Notepad and writing the basic structure of HTML. This is the basic structure of HTML. This we have created in the last video. So today we'll start how we can start writing the basic HTML program. So creating a basic starting document, the head of the document point to above window part, and the title of your documents appears in the very top line of the user's browser. If the user chooses to bookmark your page or save as a favorite, it is the title that is added to the list. Means when you are using the HTML tag, it indicates the browser this document is the HTML document. So whenever you are writing the HTML program, the first tag which we have write, that is the HTML tag. So the document web browser understand about the document is the HTML document, and the title tells it contains the title of that document or that web page that appears in the title bar of the web page. The text in your title should be as descriptive as possible, because this is what many search engines on the internet use for indexing your site. Means whenever you are writing the title for your web page, that must be descriptive as possible, because this is by many search engines. Means many search engines जो हैं वो इंटरनेट पर आपके टाइटल के अकॉर्डिंग ही वेब पेजेस को और इन्फॉर्मेशंस को डिस्प्ले करते हैं. So whenever you are creating any websites, you must use the short and descriptive title for your document. In next step, you have to set the document's properties. Means the document properties are controlled by the attributes of the body elements. After close the head tag, means the head part of document, you have to start the body part, and the body part using different attributes. It on display your web browser as an information, and these tags or the attributes declare under the body tag. So for example, if you want to change the background color, or you want to insert any image as a background, you want to insert any image, so each and everything you have to insert, you have to write inside the body tag. So second step, whenever we are creating the document, first we have to create the head part, in which we have to write down the HTML tag, head tag, and the title tag, where we have to declare the title, then close the title tag and close the head tag. And then we have to start the body tag, and what are the properties of the web page we want to give, we have to give in the body element, and the information, the pictures, the graphics which we want to display on our web page, each and everything we have to declare inside the body tag, and then we have to close the body tag, and then we have to close the HTML tag. Whenever we want to set the background of our web page, or any table we have insert, or anything on our web page, so we have to use some color codes. The colors are set using, that is the RGB. R represent red, G represent green, and B represent blue. And any color code that is represent in the hexadecimal value, where each 2 digit represent for red, green, and blue color. So in this list you can see here every color having a hexadecimal code related with it. Here 2 digit represent, first 2 digit represent red color, next 2 digit represent the green color, and the next 2 digit represent the green color, red, green, and blue. So first 2 digit represent red, then green, then blue. This is the combination. Here whenever you want to put a red background, you can see the first 2 value you have to give, and the next 4 values will be 0. Same as for green, you can see the next between two values is given and all the values set to 0. And when you are provide the blue background, you have to set the last two digits as an hexadecimal value and remaining value is 0. So by using this hexadecimal code, we can apply millions of backgrounds. Here some are written, but you can apply the millions of different color background to your web page. But we no need to use the color code. We can use the color code as well as you can also use the color name for applying the background color of your web page.